Hello guys, welcome back to another video in this course, and in this video we are going to cover how to run the how to show the test report, the Playwright test report. So I need to run this test case, and previously we learned how to run it using the file name, and this time I'm going to run it using the test case name. So in order to do so, all I need to do is npx playwright test -g, and not to forget to put this in a double quotation, and we need to run it in headed mode, so I'm going to use it this way. As you can see, it is running now and it should pass. Awesome. So to open the report, or to show the report, we need to copy this command line prompt, and I'm going to paste it here and click enter. As you can see here, this is the test case. If I click on the test case name, it will show all the steps that happened in this test case, and if I open one by one, this is what happened here, this is what happened here, this is what happened here, and you can see here the red arrow, it shows what exactly happened and which step was this one. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm going to close this one. Now I need to fail the test case. So in order to fail the test case, I'm going to add one thing here to fail the assertion, and I'm going to run the test case again. First things first, I need to close the local server. So what I need to do is Control C and C again, and it is now closed. Now I'm going to run it again, and this time it should fail. So let's see it together. He's trying to assert on this text, and it should be failing. And once it fails, it will open the report directly. So what we can see here, that the expected is welcome to the internet 1, and the received, which is the actual, is welcome to the internet, and that's why it failed. And as you can see here, it failed in line number 6 in the step to contain text. And if we scroll down also, we can see here that it failed in this specific step. And that should be all for this video.